Today you are going to learn a great exercise that will breed confidence in your mind, regarding your ability to use all of the clubs in your bag. This exercise is particularly good if you are struggling to get to grips with a certain club. The results that you achieve in golf are usually attributed to the amount of confidence you have in your game, so by building belief in your ability to use all of your clubs, you are going to take your game to the next level. During your golf practice session, start with your favorite club and hit a few different shots, some that you are familiar with and others that you wish to perfect. Use this club and hit as many shots as it takes you to hit a ball that you are super pleased with. When you have hit that really pleasing ball, it is the right time to change your club. Choose your next favorite club and repeat the exercise. As before, practice striking the ball until you get a shot you really like. You know the sort of strike I am talking about. It just feels so good, that it feels your body is smiling inside you. Again, you put that club away and go on to the next club, repeating the exercise, until you have practiced using all the clubs you want to train with. If you don't have a lot of time for practice or you want to hone your skills on a certain club, then do this exercise with just one club. Again, keep practicing until you hit a ball that satisfies you. Never put your club away after hitting a poor shot during a practice session. The idea behind this technique is that by never, ever putting a club away on a bad ball, and only after a good shot, it indicates to your subconscious mind that you are proficient with that particular club, and can expect a good outcome. Over time, this will result in you having an inbuilt confidence about every club in your bag, and as you know, a confident golfer will trump a game every time. Don't forget to watch our daily 60-second golf lesson video if you want to improve your game.